Welcome to this introduction to the advanced styling features of Advanced Charting Kit. So, what is advanced styling? With shinobicharts, you can visualize data clearly with very little work. Advanced Charting Kit enhances shinobicharts by offering several powerful styling features. These can be used to quickly give your data stronger visual expression with very little work. In its simplest form, a line series offers a great way to display data quickly and effectively. You may want to show your data alongside that of a previous year. The key is to make both series visible enough to allow comparison, but to keep the focus on the current series. Using Advanced Charting Kit's dashed line series, it is immediately obvious that the solid line is the one to focus on, without the need to check the legend. For some time, shinobicharts has offered the ability to apply a gradient colour to a data series. Advanced Charting Kit extends this capability by offering control over gradient direction to line, bar and column series. In this Android example, we see a vertical gradient. Our powerful toolset enhances gradients further with the introduction of gradient stops. Gradient stops can bring colour to your series and highlight the highs and lows of the data. This feature also gives you more flexibility to bring the look and feel of your chart in line with your branding and the rest of your app. Gradient stops are also possible with bar series and column series. We hope you enjoyed watching, and we look forward to seeing what you can do with the advanced styling features of Advanced Charting Kit. Please get in touch and let us know what you think.